Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. So in this video here, I'm going to show you how to wrap or unwrap BNB, like going from WBNB to BNB or vice versa. So to do so, you need to go to pancakeswap.finance and go to trade and exchange. Then here you need to connect your wallet. If you get into the website for the first time, it will ask you to connect your wallet. If it did not, just click on connect wallet and choose the wallet that you're using. Click switch network. So in here we are using the network of Binance Smart Chain instead of Ethereum. Now your wallet is connected to the platform. Now you get to choose. Okay, so now you have BNB on your wallet. So the amount of BNB that you have on your wallet will appear in here. In my case, I have 0. So if you have any amount, you can just click on max if you want to wrap the maximum BNB that you have, and choose here WBNB and select it, and here it is. Okay, so now choose the amount of BNB that you want to wrap and click swap your BNB to WBNB. All right, and then it will appear on your wallet. Okay, and if you want to unwrap the WBNB to BNB, you can just do the same, but by changing this here from BNB to WBNB, and here it will automatically change to BNB. If it's not BNB, just click on here and type in BNB and select it. All right, it's already selected, so this is it, and you get to swap and unwrap your BNB. Alright, I made this video because I want to make other videos about how to swap some tokens, and the only way by doing it is by swapping WBNB to that currency. So I'm making this video so you can check it for a reference for future videos. So this is it. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like for more content like this, and thank you for watching.